Use the Alt plus Tab shortcut keys to switch between open windows on your computer. This allows you to quickly toggle between multiple windows and applications. To toggle between multiple windows and applications means to switch between one setting and another with only two outcomes, on or off, turning it on or off. It is also explained as to press a key or set of keys on a computer keyboard in order to turn a feature on or off, or to move from one program to the other. Additional tips for you: use Alt plus Shift plus Tab together to switch between open windows in reverse order. Use Ctrl plus Tab key to switch between open tabs in your web browser. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab to switch between open tabs in reverse. It looks similar, but it is great. When you practice it, you'll become perfect. Master these shortcuts to enhance your multitasking skills and work more efficiently. Enhance your multitasking skills with Make the Most TV. I'll see you in the next episode.